In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use math functions to update custom values in Gohighlevel. If you want to automatically increase, decrease, or otherwise update a custom value inside a workflow, Gohighlevel makes that possible with its math operation action. This is especially useful when you're tracking things like points, balances, counters, or other numeric custom fields that need to change as contacts move through your automation. To get started, log into Gohighlevel. Once you're inside the platform, make sure you're working in the correct sub-account. This is important because workflows, custom fields, and automation settings are all tied to the specific sub-account you're currently in. If you're in the wrong one, you may not see the workflow or field you expect. Next, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Automation. From there, go into Workflows in your Gohighlevel dashboard. At this point, you can either create a brand new workflow or open an existing workflow that you want to update. The process works the same either way, so just choose whichever fits your setup. Once you're inside the workflow editor, click Add, then choose Add Action. This is where you'll insert the step that performs the calculation. In the Action Search area, type in Math Operation. As soon as it appears in the list, click on Math Operation to add it to your workflow. This action is designed to update a numeric field by applying a calculation directly inside the automation, which saves time and keeps everything running automatically. Now you'll need to configure the action. In the field dropdown, select the field you want to calculate. Make sure you choose the correct current value or numeric custom field, because this is the field Gohighlevel will update when the workflow runs. After that, set your desired mathematical operation and enter the numerical value you want to apply. For example, you might add a number to increase a running total, subtract a number to reduce a balance, multiply for scaling, or divide when needed. The key here is to confirm that the value you enter makes sense for the type of tracking you're doing, since the workflow will apply it automatically each time the action runs. Once everything looks right, click Save Action. This stores the math operation in your workflow, so it becomes part of the automation sequence. Finally, click Publish and Save. That last step is essential, because if the workflow isn't published, the update won't run live. And that's how to use math functions to update custom values in Gohighlevel. If you set it up carefully, this can be a simple and powerful way to automate value tracking inside your workflows. Your